Hey fellow food enthusiasts, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, get ready to indulge your taste buds with a culinary masterpiece, incredibly tender lamb shanks. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or looking to spoil yourself with a luxurious meal, this dish is bound to leave a lasting impression. Start by preparing your tagine, or any oven pan that you have. Begin by adding generous portions of onions and tomatoes. You can cut these to your liking. Now it's time to introduce the star of the show, these beautiful lamb shanks. Add some more tomato slices, jalapenos, garlic cloves, a drizzle of olive oil, cardamom, bay leaves, and a blend of aromatic spices like salt, black pepper, and either Arabic or Indian spice mixes. Once your ingredients are perfectly layered, cover the pan with foil. Make sure to poke a few holes to prevent any spillage during the cooking process. Pop it into the oven at 350 for an initial 3 hours with the cover on, followed by an additional hour uncovered. The end result? Prepare to be amazed by the incredibly tasty, juicy, and fork tender lamb shanks that await you. If this dish has sparked joy in your kitchen, give this recipe a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more global dishes with cooking overseas, and hit that notification bell to ensure you never miss a mouth-watering episode. Until next time, happy cooking!